As part of the 2025 Children's Day jollification, Acting Chairmo of Uhumwonde Local Government Council, Honorable Benjamin Nosai Redia, carried students from Uhumwonde Grammar School go Samuel Ogbomudia Stadium, where them joined thousands of pikin them from across the state to celebrate the special day. The students happy well as say them fit join as them do march pass with correct steeze and composure as it turned big memory for both their school life and personal life. One representative from Uhumwonde Grammar School, wey yarn with us, thank Honorable Benjamin Nosai Redia sake of say e make am possible for them to show face for the event. E still use style hail the governor for creating this kind platform where they empower and celebrate pikin them.
I'm Honorable Miss Emanuela George Osarume, a representative of Uhumwonde local government area. I'm from Uhumwonde Grammar School, which is in Uhumwonde local government area. I want to thank our chairman for allowing us to come to this stadium, and also thank the governor for making us be as part of the students that is coming to represent our school in this stadium. We say thank you to our chairman and thank you to the governor.
Honorable Benjamin Osai Redia yarn with us say him happy say the children enjoy themselves well for stadium. He still praise the governor sake of say he creates better opportunity for children all over the state to shine and feel important.
I'm not only excited, you can see that they too are also excited being at the stadium today to celebrate the Children's Day. As we can see, this is magnificent, this is impressive. This has never happened in the history of Edo State. And all thanks to Senator Monday Ukpewolo, the governor of Edo State, our governor, our working governor, and bringing children from all over the state to the stadium to mark this beautiful day.
This year Children's Day celebration don't show again say to recognize and invest in pikin them will be future of the state na very important something. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.